You may already know that Jumptask does not have regular payout options, like PayPal or direct crypto transfers. That's because Jumptask pays using its own crypto token, which is JumpToken. So in order to receive JumpToken and convert them into cash or another crypto, we first need to connect a crypto wallet to Jumptask. Okay, let's see how to do it. First of all, you need to create a crypto wallet if you don't already have one. You can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance Wallet, or any other wallet supported by Jumptask. So let's check that out. Tap on your profile icon. And if you're using the mobile app, you'll see the Add button just below the Payout option here. So, as mentioned here, you can't connect the wallet directly from the mobile app, so we need to log in using a browser to do so. Well then, let's log into Jumptask from a browser. And tap on your profile icon again. And here you'll see the Connect Wallet button. Just tap on it. Tap here again. Now, here we have several wallet options, such as Trust Wallet MetaMask and Binance Wallet. But if you want to use a different wallet, simply tap on All Wallets. And here we have all the wallet options. In this tutorial, I'll go with Trust Wallet. So, download and install the wallet from the Play Store or App Store. Then, create a wallet here. And make sure to back up your secret recovery phrase here. This is very important because once you connect the wallet to Jumptask, you cannot change it later. Backup complete? Okay, back to Jumptask. Now tap on Trust Wallet. Tap on Connect. And sign the request. And continue. The wallet is now connecting. Wait a few seconds. Okay then, let's go back to Jumptask. Tap on My Wallet. And here, you'll see your wallet address. And Jumptask is successfully connected. After that, go back again. And tap on Payout. And finally, here, you can withdraw your earnings as JumpTokens using either the BSC or the Celo network. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.